ATI takes care of its people really well. Try to leave the impression for anybody coming to ATI or working here is that it's a good place to work. There's great people here. It's a fun place to work. A person doesn't stay at a company for 33 years because it's a bad company to work for. That's the first thing I'll tell anybody coming in the door. It's hard to define what a veteran would do in manufacturing when you look at it at first glance. How does being an infantryman relate to being a manufacturing person? Because those are my backgrounds. And you look at it and go, those don't tie together. The reality is there's more in common than anybody would imagine, more than there isn't. At the entry-level positions, when those veterans are coming in, they know how to work on a team. They know how to take direction without pushing back. And they also understand a system that allows them to provide feedback. So there's always give and take, and a soldier or anybody that's served in the military has had that experience. It's not only looking out for the individual, it's looking out for the collective team. So as an engineer with seniority, tenure, I see myself as now a mentor. That's what I felt I was doing when I retired from the Army. I was in a first sergeant role. My role at that point was to mentor young soldiers, give them opportunities to get training, to get promoted, to develop so that they could start developing the people underneath them. My goal in the next 5 to 10 years till I retire is to get these engineers the experience, the skills, and the sets that they need so that in 5 or 10 years' time, they're mentoring the next person coming up behind them.